This is a 1999 Pontiac Bonneville. This is the same as like your Buick, Chrysler, Town and Country, anything with the 3.8. This one's supercharged, but the starter is located in the same spot, and this will apply for many years. So you got this cover here to cover this whole side. You gotta take that off. It's 10 mil and 7 mils. And I put my jack there because the whole frame is rusted to death. It's kind of sad. The starter, you have a 7mm here. This one right there is what engages your solenoid. And then you got your power wire right here. Make sure to clean it. That goes up here. Now I'll show you how to take the old one off in a second. Just show you where the cords are. Now there will be a plastic cover, especially like right here. It looks like whoever worked on it in the past like took it off already. This one's still on. I loosened that up. Let's see. This right here. So I'll tighten that back up. And then that bolt is right back in there. And that's what holds on that plastic. So then you got two 50mm, one here. And then once you remove that plastic on this side, you have your other 15. Make sure to disconnect your battery when you start. Once you got those two bolts out, you can literally just pull your starter out this way. Be gentle when tightening these, not to tighten them too hard. Make sure you got a good battery too, so you don't burn the new starter out. Hope this helps. I'll go ahead and finish it up. Pretty hard to do this with one hand, so I'm going to go ahead and end the video. But these spots right here were really rusty, so make sure you use some lubricant too if you need it, and then you can put your jack stand here right on this for safety.